recently, China announced that China has finally eliminated extreme poverty. So this is, I think, one of the most remarkable achievements of any human society. I don't think there is any precedent in history of a society achieving these great goals. The CPC is a unique model. Until now, we were told that the best way of societies improving themselves is the Western system of democracy. And we were told that that is the best way of progress of a society. But what the CPC has done is that it has brought this alternate model, and they have achieved that it's a very flexible system. I find that in the greatness of the way China has improved so quickly is because they make changes very quickly. They feel that something is not working, they change it. The system allows them to change. The way they work themselves up and the experience they got all the way from village and then to the province and higher levels. So when they get to the top, they are experienced. They completely understand the system. They understand how people live at the bottom, and which is why they have been able to, create this wonder of bringing so many millions of people out of poverty. So this is something quite unique for China. You do not see that in any other democratic system.